Okay guys, welcome back. So we've bobbed back over to Lyme Park. So one of our favourite national trusts, so Lyme Park in winter. So let's go and have a little mooch and see what's occurring. Let's go. So Linny, we might not be going in the gardens. I'm sure that sign down there said due to icy conditions, the gardens are closed. So let's go and have a look, see. If not, let's have a wander around the grounds, can't we? Okay, seeing the gardens are closed, we're going to go and have a walk up to the cage, aren't we?
We are. Yeah.
What a lovely crisp day though, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
So nice to get wrapped up. It's nice and warm and get yourself out. Because what's walking, lovey?
Walking's brill.
Walking is brill.
According to our friend Big Norm.
That's it. Okay, Lynn, so out on this lovely walk. Blast from the past. What are we on today?
School dinners.
School dinners for us,
Yeah.
the 1980s again, school dinners. So, give us a few school dinners. Let's start with main courses.
Oh,
I think you remember the puddings, don't you?
yes.
But what about main courses? So toad in the hole,
Yeah. Sausage and mash.
hot dog and chips.
Yeah. Shepherd's pie. Oh no.
Oh,
Pie.
that was it. Is that shepherd's or cottage? If it's cottage, you're all right. If it's shepherd's pie.
Shepherd's pie, no.
Oh no, not the lamb.
I always think.
I was thinking of toad in the hole as well. I seem to remember that the mash wasn't great.
Oh yeah, it could have been
A bit lumpy, wasn't it? And
I'm going to
Yeah.
say though, the cooks at our primary school were really good.
were they?
Yeah. Don't know. Sorry, it's really cold. My nose is running.
I think ours were good. I remember Mrs. Lomas. Do you remember any of the names he cooked? We had Mrs. Lomas. She used to live up the road from the Princess.
Mrs.
I remember
Mason,
her.
Mrs. Walker,
There we go.
and then Mrs. Ford was one of the dinner ladies
Oh,
that
happy days.
would look after you when you're out on
Right.
playground.
So then, we've got a few mains there, haven't we? I think what we all remember is the puddings.
Oh God, yeah.
As a kid, the puddings.
Pink custard and cake, sponge cake.
That's it,
The one
pink
with the sprinkles
custard.
on the top.
That was lovely.
Manchester tart,
See, I don't remember that. You mentioned that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Manchester tart.
cornflake pie.
Cornflake pie. What about jam roly-poly? bit of nostalgia. Jam roly-poly. That was nice. But you say you can't have that with pink custard. Just normal custard.
Treacle sponge.
Treacle sponge.
tart.
Treacle tart. I like you said though, the cake as well with the sprinkles on which you just mentioned.
Yeah, apple crumble.
So what's your favourite pudding, lovey? From school?
Cornflake pie.
Cornflake pie.
Yeah.
See, I've got to go jam roly-poly. But maybe with a bit of pink custard. No, that's not allowed. Spotted dick, that's another one. So guys, let us know what your favourite school meals were, if there was any favourites. Let us know in the comments. And we're approaching the cage now, darling. And there it is. So yeah, guys, we just touched on the cage earlier. So the cage was originally built in 1524, and then it was rebuilt in the 1730s. It served as a poached prison, banqueting room, and an estate for the workers. Okay, Linny, so let's have the quote of the day.
Okay, it's glimmers. Glimmers are those moments in your day that make you feel joy, happiness, peace or gratitude. So I hope that wherever you are today and whoever you're with, you get lots of glimmers.
So we've just come round the back, haven't we? She had an idea. Because obviously the shot is the front of the house. With the gardens being closed, we can't do that, can we?
No.
So we thought if we just wander around the back, there's a gate.
There is, and there's a path that goes along the back on the other side of the fence.
But
But it's closed for the winter.
got a padlock on it.
got a
So it was a good idea. So we just wanted to do that shot, the Mr Darcy, Because obviously, Lyme Park, Pride and Prejudice, that's what we remember it for, is it not, Linny?
He is, but he doesn't jump in his own pond.
No.
That pond he jumps in is not the one.
It's not the one at the
back of
front.
House,
Right.
as you well know.
I know. So we're not getting the front shot
We're not
today.
getting the shot today.
However, we're going to have a bit more of a wander around. We're not going to do the house, are we, today?
No.
Because we did it in a previous video, didn't we?
We did.
So if you'd like to have a little look around the house, take a look at the video just here and let us know your thoughts on that. Right guys, so if you come down to Lyme Park, obviously we're in the National Trust, aren't we?
Yes.
So it's all free, so really worth it. If you do just one a month, it's worth it, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just such great value. And obviously we've said before, you're just supporting the National Trust, the heritage. But if you're not a member, and you come down, car park's £6. And if you want to go into the House and Gardens, I think that's £13 each, isn't it?
I think so.
So it's still okay. But yeah, if you're interested, join the National Trust, support our heritage. Nice though, really lovely. What's that cafe there, lovey?
Timber yard.
Timber Yard. Been in there, that's quite nice, isn't it?
Yes.
Been in there before now. And then a little gift shop in the corner there. No, so it should be shut. It says there, play area is closed. But there's a padlock, there's a couple of children in there. Hey, that's what you'd be doing. Back in the day, Linny, you'd be in there, wouldn't you?
DJ?
No, Linny wouldn't do that.
I might know the secret way into that park.
You were a good girl, weren't you, darling?
Actually, was very good. Upstairs playing with tapes and reading a book.
I was just saying to Lynn, this is the part I like. Do like the woodland parts. It's lovely, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
With the snow down and how beautiful.
It's quite tranquil.
It is, isn't it? And then you've got the children in the background.
Well, I was about to say it's tranquil now, but if we'd have been here, 10 years ago, Cara would have been up that bank.
She would. She would. No, it's lovely.
Absolutely, as they should really.
That's, of
Exploring
course.
nature and being out and about.
Yep.
In it all.
Okay guys, so thank you very much for coming around with us on our little walk around Lyme Park. It's nice, wasn't it? Obviously a lot of places closed, so we couldn't do certain things, but like we said before, if you want to have a look inside the house, go and have a look at our previous video that we did on Lyme Park earlier in the 2025.
Yes.
So we might do a coffee, we're not sure yet, are we? We're going to decide on that.
Yes. We'll go and get in the car and warm up first,
Yeah,
aren't
it's
we?
cool, it's lovely, but it's cold. So yeah, thank you very much for watching guys, and we will see you in
The next one.
Take care guys, see you later, bye.